Surya Namaskar. Sanskrit name Surya means sun, and Namaskar is salutation. Surya Namaskar is a steady rhythmic sequence, and it has been handed to us from enlightened sages of a Vedic age. Sun symbolizes consciousness, and in ancient times it was worshipped on a daily basis. Ideally, should be practiced in the morning, facing the sun, on the empty stomach. However, it may be practiced anytime as long as the stomach is empty. People with a high blood pressure or acute inflammation should not practice Surya Namaskar. It's strengthening the back and helping the balance and stimulates reproductive, respiratory, circulatory and the digestive system. Increases mental clarity and brings fresh oxygen to the brain.